Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at InterLink KYC verification steps. Let's apply for the KYC. And if you are mining InterLink, you need to watch this video closely so that you can see how you can apply for your KYC. And if you have not started mining InterLink, the link will be in the video description. Do where to start. The price of InterLink is very high now. It is even giving times 20-30 of Sidra and every other coin that we are mining. So let's apply for the KYC. First, to apply for the KYC, you must make sure that you have your IT at hand, and you click here that says verify $ITLG. So you tap on this verify $ITLG. It's now going to give you your profile statistics. This is your profile statistics. You can see my daily mining rate is 42%, group mining is 85%, total referrals is 13, and the active referral rate is 69.25. The bond cycles is 6. So you are going to click on this place that says verify now. So once you verify your $ITLG, it has 3 stages. So once you pass these 3 stages, the next thing is your token migration. You are now going to migrate your $ITLG. So the first thing first is to verify now. Tap on this verify. So once you click on your curator, once you accept Nigeria, you accept your country. Once you accept Nigeria, you click on upload documents. You need to upload this document at least within 24 hours. After 24 hours, you are going to reapply again. So you must make sure you upload your documents immediately you choose your country curator. So I'm going to click on upload documents. I'm going to select the country, which is Nigeria. We are going to search for Nigeria here. So tap on Nigeria. Document type, I'm going to choose national ID. Now you need to upload the document, the front and the back. Now to upload the front document, to tap on this upload a document. Now you have 2 options, either to take a photo or to choose from album. I'm going to go for take a photo. So I'm going to scan the. Now you need to make sure that your image is very clear. So they say make sure you capture a clear and complete image, and this is the example of what they want you to do. Make sure that for you to scan this passport or ID, your picture should be at the left hand side. So place it exactly the way you are seeing it here, and make sure you capture it very clear and bright. If you crop the picture, the system will automatically reject it. If the image ID is glare, it's going to reject it. If it is blur, they are going to reject it. So make sure that it is very clear and clean. So the next thing to do is to click on start verification. So once you have done uploading your ID, you have to make sure that you upload it very well. For the front, the same thing you do for the back of the document. You click on the back. Now you're going to upload the photo. Take a photo and make sure that everything is in order. Then you click on start verification. Once you take the back of your ID, you click on this upload. Now this is what you have done. You have done it. You upload the front and the back. So what you are going to do next is to click on this submit. Upload successful. Can you see that? You are going to see the verification in progress. The verification round is 1, submitted on 5th of July 2026 Nigeria. You're going to see everything, and you are going to see that your verification is in progress. So at this point you need to go back. You click on go back. You can see that document in review. So they are going to review it. They say once at least 3 verification level completed, you'll be verified in this first phase. So I need to do 3 verification for me to be verified in this first phase. So I'm going to allow them to review the documents, and once I passes the verification level for this level 1 document upload, I'm going to continue the second verification. So this is basically how you can apply for your InterLink KYC verification. I believe I will get everything correct so that I can proceed to the next one. So that is it for this video, and if you have not started mining InterLink, the link will be in the video description. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.